What are you doing? What are you putting together?
Yeah, look, show everybody what you're doing. Remember? Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Are you putting that together yourself? Oh, you want to see what we're looking at? See? This is your new stove. We're just about done. I think we have to put the doors on the microwave and on the oven and then cut out all your little tools. But maybe you can show everybody how you screw. Oh, good girl. You're so smart. Yeah, see? Can Mama help you for a second? There you go. Good girl. Okay, I'm going to turn it off and then we'll put it on again, I think, when we get everything all together. This is a present from Grandma and Grandpa Markel, right? It's so fun. Wow, you're really working on that. Alright, see you in a minute.